Good morning, dear kids. Today we will learn how to make a tie bow with the help of paper folding. With the help of paper folding. Dear kids, do you know tie bow? Some people used to wear on their shirt when they go to parties. So let's know how to make a tie bow with the help of paper folding. Dear kids, for making a tie bow, we need a colorful tape, scissors and A4 size sheet. Our A4 size sheet should be thick. Now we will see carefully how we have to fold this A4 size sheet. Dear kids, here the beautiful tie bow is ready. It's too easy, so I hope you will try your best to make this tie bow yourself and share the images with the class teacher. Bye-bye.